if you have one of these 6 conditions, you should stop consuming garlic immediately. It is very dangerous. To be honest with you, I really think that garlic is one of the healthiest foods on the planet. Don't you agree? Garlic is used to control high blood pressure, low blood pressure, high cholesterol, inherited high cholesterol, coronary heart disease, heart attack, reduced blood flow due to narrowed arteries, and atherosclerosis. Allicin, the active compound found in garlic, may use the same mechanism as blood pressure drugs called ACE inhibitors to lower blood pressure. The experts also think that garlic prevents the creation of angiotensin II, a hormone, and helps relax blood vessels. And as we said, garlic is also extremely useful and effective in controlling the LDL cholesterol. The good thing is that many people love garlic because it's good in so many different ways. Not only does it add mouth-watering flavour to everyone's favourite dishes, but it's also useful for a wide variety of natural health remedies. A recent study has found that people who take a daily garlic supplement can reduce their likelihood of catching colds and flu by 63%. You should also know that garlic is useful in treating stubborn staph infections. Many people also make their own garlic oil to help speed up the treatment of ear infections. You should be very careful when you consume garlic and consider moderation, because when taken raw, garlic may cause bad breath, heartburn, gas, nausea, body odour, and a lingering pungent taste in the mouth. And you should also know that this depends on the body chemistry of the individual. Did you know that garlic works as a natural anticoagulant? Well, yes, and this means that it's excellent for treating circulation problems because it makes the blood more fluid, thus preventing clots and blood clots that cause heart attacks, thrombosis, stroke, among others. But you should be careful because its use with other anticoagulant drugs can accelerate much blood, causing unnecessary bleeding. You should be very careful and don't consume garlic if you're using any types of medications. Yes, and make sure you consult with your doctor before consuming garlic, as this enhances the effects of drugs causing more problems than solutions. The experts say that people with liver problems shouldn't consume garlic. Here's what you need to know. Well, garlic may decrease the liver's breakdown of some medications or even decrease the effectiveness of the medications taken for liver issues. Really, all medications, especially birth control medications, are prone to some adverse interactions with garlic in any form. And people with a sensitive stomach shouldn't consume garlic as well. How this works? Well, eating too much garlic or onions may aggravate or irritate one's gastrointestinal tract. Garlic may also cause some gastrointestinal counter indications when eaten with stomach medications. Pregnant women should avoid garlic as well. While it's generally considered safe to consume moderate amounts of raw garlic during a pregnancy or periods of breastfeeding in medicinal therapeutic amounts, it may prove inadvisable. If you fall within a normal range of blood pressure or already have low blood pressure, then you may run the risk of lowering your blood pressure to an even lower range. Sparingly eating garlic in moderate amounts is recommended.